RBC Online Banking not working. Today we are going to learn how to fix the issue that says sign in RBC Online Banking not working. Follow the steps in this video and don't miss any important point. First, there will be technical troubleshooting. Try a different browser. If you're using an outdated or unsupported browser, try switching to a more recent version or using a different browser altogether. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with online banking functionality. Try temporarily disabling any extension you have installed and see if the issue persists. You can reset your password. If you have forgotten your password or suspect it might be compromised, you can reset it through the RBC website or mobile app. You can also go through basic checks. For this, double-check your username and password. Ensure you are entering the correct information, including upper, lowercase letters, and any special character. Then clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache data can cause glitches. Try clearing your browser history and cookies before attempting to sign in again. Then restart your device and router. A simple restart can often resolve temporary internet connectivity issues. If the issue persists, check for system maintenance. RBC occasionally schedules system maintenance, which might temporarily restrict online banking access. Check their website or social media for any announcement about ongoing maintenance. That's how you can fix sign in RBC online banking not working.